In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Claude. First, let's get started by opening Claude. You will see the Claude AI interface pop up, displaying its user-friendly layout. This is the starting point where you can access various features and functionalities. It's important to ensure that you have the application installed and running smoothly on your device. If you encounter any issues opening it, double-check your installation. Once you are successfully in, you are ready to move forward. Having Claude open allows you to easily navigate through the settings and make necessary adjustments. Next, look for your profile picture located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This is a small icon that represents your account. Clicking on it will reveal a menu with several options. This step is crucial because it leads you to your account settings where you can manage integrations. Once you have found your profile picture, click on it. You should see a drop-down menu appear. This action sets the stage for connecting your Gmail account, which will enable seamless communication between the two platforms. From there, you will need to click on Settings. This option is typically found in the menu that appears after clicking your profile picture. Selecting Settings opens a new window dedicated to your account preferences. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area as it contains various options that can enhance your experience with Claude. Once you click on Settings, take a moment to review the available options. This ensures you are well informed about the features at your disposal. Now go to Connectors or Integrations in the Settings menu. This section is specifically designed for integrating other applications and enhancing Claude's capabilities. Here you will find a list of various services that can be connected to Claude. This is essential because it allows you to expand the functionality of Claude by linking it with your Gmail account. When you locate connectors or integrations, click on it to proceed. This step is vital for establishing the link between Claude and your Gmail account. Next up, find Google Workspace or Gmail in the list of available connectors. This is where you will initiate the connection process with your Google services. You might need to scroll through the options available. Once you locate Google Workspace or Gmail, it indicates that Claude is ready to work with your email services. This step is significant because having Gmail connected allows you to manage emails directly within Claude, enhancing your productivity. After that, click Connect. This action initiates the process of linking your Gmail account to Claude. You should see a prompt that guides you through signing in. This is an important step as it creates the bridge between your accounts. By clicking Connect, you are taking the first concrete step toward integrating your Gmail with Claude. It is a straightforward process designed for user convenience, so feel assured you are on the right path. Now, sign in with your Gmail account. Enter your email address and password when prompted. This step is crucial for authenticating your identity and ensuring that only you can access your Gmail through Claude. Make sure you enter your credentials accurately to avoid any login issues. Once you are signed in, you will feel a sense of progress toward completing the integration process. Next, review the Google permissions. During this step, Google will show you a list of permissions that Claude requires to function properly with your Gmail account. Take a moment to read through these permissions carefully. It is important to understand what access you are granting to ensure your data remains secure. Once you are comfortable with the permissions, you can proceed to the next step. Finally, click Allow to confirm the permissions. This action finalizes the connection between Claude and your Gmail account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the integration was successful. At this point, return to Claude and confirm the connection. The successful integration means you can now utilize Gmail features directly within Claude, making your workflow more efficient. This connection simplifies communication and enhances your overall experience with the application. This concludes our guide on connecting Gmail to Claude. Thank you for following along.